friends, welcome back to my channel Study with Sony. Friends, today I have one more question for the assignment problem. As you can see that there is a question given here with a matrix. So let's quickly see the question, what all is given in the question, and this question is different as we already had done the various number of questions of assignment problem, but this question is different, so I considered this question for today's video. So let's see how to solve this type of questions. So let's read the question. So question is, in a plant layout there are 5 vacant places. The plant orders for machines to be installed in a vacant places. The cost of installing is as follows. यहाँ machines दे रखी हैं M1 to M4. यहाँ पे places दे रखी हैं A, B, C, D, E, which are 5 in numbers, and machines are 4 in numbers. We can easily identify that this is an unbalanced problem of assignment. So we need to create a dummy for machine 4, for machine 5, to make the assignment problem balanced. 5 number of machines and 5 places would be there. Then only we can proceed the question. But we also observe that 2 dashes are placed here. So how to do these type of questions? Cost is given here. So for this type of question, solution: step 1, balance the matrix by adding dummy row, that is M5, with cost 0. So let's do it. Here I already created this matrix, and here we need to add a dummy row, that is M5, with the value cost is 0, 0, 0. We have to place 5 zeros as we have 5 columns. So after this, we need to put highest value for these places. So for the highest value, we don't know what would be the highest value what we can put, so we can put infinity as we don't know the exact value. So we can put infinity at vacant. These are vacant positions, dash is position. And thereafter apply Hungarian method to solve this. So we need to write the number exactly as this question table, but for these places we need to put infinity. So 9, 11, 15, 10, 11, 12, 9. Here we need to put infinity, 10, 9. Again here we need to put infinity, 11, 14, 11 and 7, 14, 8, 12, 7 and last 8. So we got this table. Now we need to apply second step. Our step 2 is row reduction. रो रिडक्शन कैसे करते हैं ये मैं ऑलरेडी अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में कई जो न्यूमेरिकल्स उन्हें बता चुकी हूँ कि हमें एक मिनिमम नंबर हर एक रो में जो है हमें सिलेक्ट करना होता है, उससे बाकी जो उसी रो के जो नंबर्स होते हैं उसमें से हमें जो है सबट्रैक्ट करके नेक्स्ट टेबल पे लिखना होता है। ये हम प्रोसेस जो है हर एक रो के लिए करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे जो है मिनिमम नंबर इस रो का M1 रो का क्या आ जाएगा, 9 है, तो यहाँ पे 0 हो जाएगी वैल्यू, यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ पे आपकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी 6, यहाँ पे आ जाएगी 1, यहाँ पे 2। नेक्स्ट M2 में जो वैल्यू आएगी वो आएगी आपकी 3। मिनिमम नंबर आपका यहाँ पे ये कंसिडर होगा, ये हाईएस्ट है। अब ये कितना हाईएस्ट है ये हमें मालूम नहीं है, तो हम इसको लिख दिया है हमने इन्फिनिटी, बट यहाँ पे हम इसको मिनिमम नहीं कंसिडर कर सकते, ठीक है। तो हम मिनिमम किसको कंसिडर करेंगे, 9 को। तो यहाँ पे जो आपकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी 3, 0 and we put infinity here because we don't know the value, the highest value is what, so we need to put infinity here, 1 and 0. Again we need to put infinity sign, 4, 7, 4, 0. Here the number is 7, which is minimum number, so 7. Here it would be 1, 5, 0 and 1 again, 0, whole row. Next, the next step is step number 3. The step number 3, as we know, is a column reduction. We can write column reduction. As we know that here minimum number in this column, A column, is 0, and in other columns also we can see that there is 0 given in each column, so we don't need to prepare the column matrix again. We simply will write the number again, three, 0, infinity, 1, 0, infinity, 4, 7, 4, 0, 7, 1, 5, 0, 1. I have written this matrix again because we need to do one more step for this table, that is we need to draw minimum number of lines, draw minimum number of lines over maximum number of zeros, and this process would be made by the help of pencil. So we can see that we have maximum number of zero placed here, so we draw the line here, and after this we got number of zeros maximum here, so we have 5 lines 1 2 3 4 5 and which are equal to, so we have 5 lines which are equal to total number of rows and columns. So we can simply write so we have 5 lines equal to 5 rows and columns. Now what will be the next step? So step 5 will be place optimal assignment by putting square shape on zeros and eliminating rows and columns. यहाँ पे अभी हमें जो है नेक्स्ट मैट्रिक्स में सेम नंबर्स हम जो है ड्रॉ कर देंगे, यहाँ पे लिख देंगे सेम नंबर इस वाली मैट्रिक्स पे लिखने हैं हमें. तो लेट्स राइट द नंबर इन द मैट्रिक्स 0 3 infinity 7 0 2 0 4 1 0 6 infinity 7 5 0 1 1 4 0 0 2 0 0 1 0. So for this process we need to consider minimum number of zeros placed at row or the column. So we can see that we have 1 0 in this row, so we will put square to this 0. So after this we need to eliminate this column and the row. Next minimum 0 is placed here in this M4 row and we need to eliminate this column and this row together. Next number, minimum number or the 0 is placed here, so we need to put a square here and eliminate this row and column together. Next minimum 0 is here, now we need to eliminate this column and row together. And lastly we got a 0 here, which gives us optimal solution. So by this we eliminate this column and row together. As we can see that each row and column has its own 0 placed, and for the optimal solution we can write here machines so we can write here machines places and cost. So machines we can write M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5. Places at M1 A is placed, at M2 B is placed, at M3 E is placed, at M4 D is placed, and at M5 C is placed. For the cost we need to see the question matrix. So at this place the cost is 9, so we can write here 9. For this place again we can write 9 here. For this place we have 7, and for this place we have again 7, and for this place we had a dummy having cost 0. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमने 0 प्लेस कर दिया. Now we need to add all these costs. So the value is 32. So we can write optimal assignment. Therefore, optimal assignment is equal to 32. And this is a unit value would be rupees 32. So therefore optimal assignment is rupees 32. Friends, I hope कि आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया होगा. अगर क्वेश्चन में कोई भी दिक्कत आती है आप वीडियो को प्लीज़ पॉज करके देखिए, और अगर कोई और भी आपको कोई समस्या आती है तो आप मुझे जो है कमेंट बॉक्स पे अपना कमेंट भी प्लेस कर सकते हैं. और इससे रिलेटेड आपको और भी कई क्वेश्चंस अगर चाहिए तो आप मेरे पिछले वीडियोस को भी देख सकते हैं. तब तक चैनल को लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए और बेल आइकन को हिट कर दीजिए, सो दैट कि आपको आगे आने वाले वीडियोस भी जल्द से जल्द मिलते रहें. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच.